Dr. Kalani Brady from the Johnny Burns School of Medicine joins us every Thursday, and we're happy to see you.
Mahalo.
Okay, so first, today is World Stroke Day. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, indeed. Stroke is the third leading cause of death in Hawaii, and of course, a lot of people who don't die suffer with a stroke for the rest of their lives. So this is very important to control and prevent. How do you do that? Good blood pressure control, making sure your blood pressure is not through the roof. A good number to shoot for is 120/80, and how we do that is by salt avoidance, aerobic exercise, and if necessary, weight loss.
You're so cute, patting your own self. All right, we'll post a little bit more information about World Stroke Day and a new way to recognize stroke, right?
Right.
On KHON2.com. And now to the viewer questions. A couple this morning about sleep apnea. So we'll start out with this one. A woman says, is sleep apnea curable?
Sleep apnea can be cured. A lot of people who have sleep apnea, Diane, are overweight or heavily overweight. And if you lose weight, sleep apnea may go away.
Okay, and so now a different woman says, my husband has sleep apnea, but he doesn't use this machine regularly, so what kind of impact could there be? Fatigue, memory loss?
All of the above. Fatigue, memory loss, heart disease. Not using sleep apnea actually strains the heart and can lead to heart attacks and other heart disease.
Oh, my goodness, okay. All right, on to the common cough, or maybe not so common. A woman says she's had a cough for a week and a half. She's taken syrup with codeine, but it hasn't worked, so what do you think she should do? In
medicine, we call cough pulmonary toilet, so it's actually a healthy thing.
Toilet?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It clears the lungs of all that junk. And so we don't want to stop a cough. Now, this is cold and flu season, as you know, from September to about March. And so there are a lot of colds, and a week and a half may seem like forever if you have the cough. But basically, you want to get that stuff up. So I recommend Tussin DM, dextromethorphan, but the easy way to remember it is the doctor's medicine.
Okay.
Tussin DM, you can get it at Safeway, Longs, CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, all the above, Times, and they all have Tussin DM. That's what you should use. It doesn't stop the cough completely, but it will slow it down. Inhalers can be used for tough cases of cough, just like asthma, because bronchospasm is what causes the cough.
Okay, yeah, and then it's hard to sleep at night, then you're all tired the next day.
Right.
All right, well,
but it's only a week and a half, and it should be gone in this lady for in another week.
All right, well, ma'am, get well. Thanks, Doc. And Doc will join us again in another half an hour.